Hey, quick update on the Packard. I got the radiator in, got some water in it, but I had a leak coming out of these bolts right here. I didn't know these studs went into the water jacket. So I came in here and there's a puddle of water on the floor. But anyway, so I took them out and put some of this stuff on there. And so far they're not leaking. I filled it up through here, you know, the block and all, the head and all that. So we'll see what happens there. Radiator hoses, got those on. I had a choice, either we had two of them sitting, laying around. I don't remember which one come off this car, but I think it was this one. But I had a choice of this is what's supposed to be on there, actually, metal and rubber. But man, this stuff is hard as a rock. So that'll be fine. And I did some headlight for the wiring on the headlights. There's the directions they give you. You saw this wire on that brass thing and stick it in there. It's not in the directions, but this brass thing here, I'll try to explain it. You have to slide that in at an angle to get it in there. You can't just push it straight down. You have to, well, if you ever do this, that's how you do it. You can't push it straight in. Ask me how I know. It doesn't really say that anywhere on here, so you'll figure it out. But anyway, I'm going to modify these taillight housings. The wood on the woody is thicker, so you got to put longer bolts, you know, on these things. And then this is the wiring, so I'll take that out. They have they're spot welded in there, and so that'll be a project for another day. And I got I got 5 gallons of fuel in the tank, and I hooked the electric fuel pump up to the battery and pumped some gas through the line up to the fuel pump, so that's good to go, and I don't have any leaks, knock on wood. And I noticed this carburetor's leaking a little bit out of there, so that's going to have to be addressed eventually. But things are moving along. I had to run a tap through all these holes here. You would think that you take the bolts out, you put them right back in, but no, that's not how it works. So things are moving along. Got the generator on, as you can see, and I hooked up. We got this old dash here. It's got a temperature gauge on it, so I thought next time I run it, I'll be able to. It's just got hot and cold. So, but let's see if it works. So that is it. Until the next video, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye.